What's really good? What's really going on? What's poppin', YouTube family? So we're on our way to a special place. It's gonna be lit. This is about to be a lit vlog. Lit vlogs coming one by two. Right now we're actually on a connected flight. We're currently in Chicago, USA. Okay, and the weather here is trash. Let me just show you guys one time. The weather here is just no. It's worse than Toronto, where I'm from. Like it's snowing rain. It's that deep. But with my family. So one chair is at. Right now we're just, killing time. We don't have much to do. It's currently 8:08, and our flight will be coming at 9:02, and we should be getting 9:02 a.m. and we should be getting to St. Lucia at around 4:30 p.m. So look out for that. It's about to be popping. We had a crazy morning. We almost missed our flight, guys. Missed our flight from Toronto to Chicago. It was pretty intense. We were the last ones on the plane, and it was intense and embarrassing because we're a big old family with big old carry-ons and big old bags and big old babies. Like, I can't wait to go get naked. Hey, it's gonna be lit. Everybody have their hairs on fleek. Hair by MS Design. You already know what it is. No other but the greatest. Oh yeah, she still has to finish her hair at the end. Take a look outside. Literally, we're going to come from this weather, snowstorm in Chicago, and then experience great sunshine in St. Lucia within 8 hours. Weather is enough for me to be satisfied. All the extra activities, extra food and fruits are like icing on the cake right now. Can't wait. And as you can see, this is my airplane food. Health is wealth, you already know. So, but anyways, we'll holler at you guys. I will come back in a bit. We're just getting some things together. We're about to board the plane. It's about to be lit. We're here in St. Lucia. It's about to be lit. So we made a stop at the grocery store to cop a 1-2-2. You know what I'm saying? St. Lucia grocery store is really like veggies con veggie. So this is the Airbnb. Right when you come in, you come up these stairs, and we're at the top floor. So let's go. And there's a mini little balcony right outside of our Airbnb. MTV Cribs. Stop playing with people's house. MTV Cribs.
Come on in, come on in. Come on in. Take your shoes off. Don't disrespect my crib. This is $100 curtains. You already know.
Yeah.
Why is the water bottle in your crib on the floor randomly?
Hey man. Hey man. Don't touch the door anymore. So this is our kitchen, right? We have our stove. We'll be using this a lot, right? Because we have some foods to cook. We are hungry. And we have beautiful white tiles, marble counters. You already know what it is. These are real marbles. $1,000 microwave. This is where you warm up your food. I don't recommend it, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Some good mugs here. We'll be drinking a lot of tea out of these mugs. Brought a lot of tea.
Clean, I see. Very clean.
$1,000 seats. We only sit on king and queen chairs. You already know. A lot of dinner will be cooked here and shared. Lots of windows, so we have a lot of sunlight that will be coming out during the day. Got a fridge, and this is our living room. Very woody, very natural vibe, right? So you can look at the walls. There is no bricks or anything, so we're getting a little chocolate. For aesthetics, you can put a candle here, a sage, incense, make the room smell. It smells beautiful in here. You guys need to be here right now, right? Come on, come on. We got a beautiful piece of art here representing Mama Africa. The beautiful shape, admiring the beautiful shape of a woman in colorful backgrounds. We're admiring nature in this picture, sunset, you know, the woman's hard work.
Okay.
Okay?
Don't mind the mess, guys.
There's a
We just
beautiful
got
mirror
in.
here. If you come on in, right? Woo! Only real beds, right? Comfortable. You don't sleep on cheap beds. You already know. $1,000 fans, beautiful chandeliers. This is the white people chandeliers, and this is so cute. They gave us some towels, and we even got like space to put our closets. This is how you know we're not from here. We have winter jackets and a beautiful bathroom. Beautiful bathroom where you could make sure you're freshen up in the morning.
It's dark in this bathroom.
Freshen up in the morning.
After the day already. Let's go.
Okay. And we have one more bedroom here. This is where the OGs stay.
This is where no magic happens.
Woo! High five, Settle! Oh, you missed me. Yeah. Another laundry basket, right? Only real OGs stay.
Nice and clean. Okay, cute. And it's green.
And then we got the white people chandelier
Now
here
it's
too.
green gone. Green gone. Look, that's green.
Yeah, it matches your shirt, Seto.
Look.
You belong in this room.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog today. It was actually a very stressful day. It took us so long to get here, but it was good. It was fun. We got here safe and sound. The family's good, and yeah, stay tuned for more vlogs coming from St. Lucia. Bruh, bruh, bruh. It's about to be lit 2019.